Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. You need to begin by opening Messages app. Following that, click on one of your chats and select this icon at the bottom left corner with a photo and the camera. Now you can click on your photos from here or select Gallery section and select them from here. I will go with those two. When you finished, click on Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!